So here we have Umbellularia Californica, commonly known as California bay-laurel or Oregon myrtle in the Lauraceae family. So this tree ranges from the coastal forests of Oregon down into the Sierra Nevada foothills of California. And it's typically found on moist, well-drained sites. In terms of the overall form, it can be anything from a large shrub to a small tree. And it has very strong aromatic foliage, much like very strong bay leaves. The bark is smooth and gray on young trees and will mature to a reddish brown and become scaly as it gets older. So the leaves are simple, alternate, and persistent, and the leaf margins are typically entire. The leaves are shiny and smooth and about 2.5 to 6 inches in length. When crushed, they emit a very strong odor and smell a lot like a very strong version of a bay leaf. In fact, the leaves have been used as a poultice for rheumatism. They've also been used for flavoring, very similar to bay leaves, although again, they're a lot stronger. Interestingly, they've also been used to cure headaches, but some people consider this to be the headache tree because of the chemical compound Umbellulone, which for some people actually causes headaches. A few other key characteristics. The fruits are blue-black olive-like drupes that are borne on a stalk that resembles a golf tee. And the flowers are small, yellowish white and borne in clusters. In terms of uses, the wood is often used for turnery, furniture, cabinetry, and also makes an excellent tone wood. An interesting fact about Umbellularia Californica is that back in the 1930s, in the town of North Bend, Oregon, the only bank in town, First National, was forced to temporarily close its doors. And during that time, the city was really concerned about a cash flow crisis negatively impacting the city of North Bend. So they solved this problem by actually minting their own currency using myrtle wood discs. And they took those discs and printed them using a newspaper press in denominations ranging from 25 cents up to $10. And they used those myrtle wood coins to pay their employees, with the city promising to redeem those coins for cash as soon as cash became available again. Later, when the bank reopened and the city actually appealed to the people to bring in their myrtle wood coins, many residents actually opted to keep them as collector's items. And so to this day, the tokens remain legal tender in the city of North Bend. So some other uses for Umbellularia Californica include the flesh and kernels of the fruit have been used as food, not just for wildlife, but are also considered palatable by people. They're only palatable for a very short period of time though. The roasted nuts can be eaten or made into a drink that kind of resembles a cross between hot chocolate, coffee, and burnt popcorn.